Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y to the power of 1 over 2. One minus 1 over 2, you got about 1 over 2. Now, I will need to use about Bernoulli Equation. So I will put about u equals to y to the power of 1 over 2. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u over the s equals to dy over 2y to the power of 1 over 2. And we have the s in here. But we don't have number 2, so we need to put number 2 on the left. This one we change by u. This one we change by 2 du over ds. Next, I will divide both sides by number 2. We have u, and first derivative of u, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration negative 1 over 2, and we have the s. So we will have about e to the power of negative s over 2. The integration of negative 1 over 2 ds, we have negative s over 2. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So we put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So I will put about first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So in this situation, we see that this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one is about first derivative of v. Multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to uv. That means this one in here, you will have about u multiplied by e to the power of negative s over 2. Now we just have this one left. So I will use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative s over 2. So I will do first derivative. We have negative 1 over 2 ds. So we put negative number 2 on the left. This one we have u. This one we have u. ds which have negative number 2. du. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u, dt equals to du, dv we have e to the power of u. So we have v equals to e to the power of u. The integration of e to the power of u, you got about e to the power of u. Because we still have about negative number 2, so we will keep about negative number 2 in here. T multiplied by v minus dt multiplied by v, and we have the integration e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that's e about this one. This one, we go in here. The integration of this one, that's about this one. About u, we go back in the first one in here. Then we divide both sides by this one. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. Here is about the full answer of the question.